Welcome back to Inside. I'm here with Gary from Home Comfort. We are going to talk about UV lights and why we need them. What difference does it make? What is this thing that you've brought here?
This is actually called a Remy Halo. Okay. When you talk about the difference between a UV light and what this does here, they both have a purpose. The difference between a UV light and this, well, I'll kind of take this apart if I can get it to come apart.
It's like a science experiment right here.
If you were to have a UV light installed in your ductwork, you would pretty much have just this section here.
Okay.
The Remy Halo combines a couple of different things. It has a catalyst that the UV light kind of breaks down a little bit over as the air goes past it. And it also adds a peroxide molecule to the air, which allows it to take care of viruses and stuff that are on surfaces in your home. As the air blows into your home, that peroxide molecule will fall on the surfaces and kill. It cleans it. A UV light has its place as well. You know, it sticks in the ductwork. It's like putting sunshine in your ductwork.
Okay.
Okay. You see how if you leave stuff set out in the sun, it will fade it, that type of thing. Sunlight also kills viruses, molds, that type of thing. Installing a UV light in your ductwork does the same thing. But it only does that with the air that passes it and what the light itself hits. This actually will take care of stuff out in your home on surfaces.
That's high tech.
Yes, it's something that we have added in the past couple of years. There have been different models of it. This one probably does the most of any of them.
So how much is it going to cost me to add this to my system?
You know, a UV light, you know, you're anywhere around $400 or $500. You're probably around $900 for the Remy Halo to be installed. And you know, with homes, a lot of people don't open their homes up like they used to. So they are closed the entire time. This helps keep that air fresh and clean throughout the summer and winter time, with the houses being all closed.
I'm actually very surprised that that's the cost. I would have thought it was a lot more than that. If you like amortize that over a year, it's really good, especially if you have allergies, if you have kids who have illnesses, or you yourself have issues with that. I would think that would really help.
Yeah, it helps with that type of stuff. It helps with odors in the home. It'll actually break that stuff down. So, you know, if you have a lot of pets, you know, it'll break that odor down and you won't be able to smell it anymore.
Or if you cook a lot.
If you cook a lot, you know.
I don't do that.
You don't do that?
But if you do. Now, this is a good time of year. You guys are having a furnace tune-up right now.
Yeah, we are, you know, getting ready to switch seasons. You know, your furnaces are going to be, believe it or not, nobody likes to talk about it. They're going to be coming on before long. And we have an $89 tune-up that we offer with the furnace tune-up, where the guys come out and go through your entire system. Make sure everything's ready to go and get it so you're not worried about it this winter.
All right, well, now's the time to do it. 89 bucks, you can have your furnace ready to go so that when it does need to work, you are prepared, because you don't want to be dealing with it then. So give them a call, 490-5100. Check them out online. We'll be right back.